Hello! Welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style, my YouTube cooking channel. Look what I bring you today, the Happy Digestion Smoothie. So we're gonna start soaking in 6 milliliter almond milk, a 4 tablespoon oat milk, and 2 tablespoon linseeds. Yeah, we are gonna let it soak for around 10 minutes. In the meantime, we are gonna wash our apple and cut them. Remove, of course, the seeds of the apple. We got 2 cups of pineapple. Look, I forgot the linseeds to soak it, so I will add it just like that. And we also have washed spinach. Yeah, remember, wash your spinach always with vinegar. So we are after 10 minutes. We are gonna add all the ingredients together: 2 bananas, 2 apples, the 2 handfuls of spinach, and just blend it. And that's it. Quite easy, isn't it? It's very digestive smoothie. It's thick. I love this one. This is very nice to drink. It works perfectly as a breakfast. It's usually substitute one of the meals of your day, so it's a very nice option. So I hope you like it. This is the third smoothie I left you here, and well, if you like it, please subscribe and hit the thumb up button. Okay, take care. So look, what I told you, just the one for my wife and my one to take away. So everyone, hit that subscribe button and have a nice journey. Thank you very much for watching it. Take care. Cheers.